Welcome to another Machine Monday. Today I want to talk about the forgotten task of disassembly and packing of machines. So I'm standing in one of the machines we filmed quite a few Machine Mondays in front of, and as you can see, the disassembly process has started. After the components and various elements of the machine have disassembled, we go through different stages of the packing process. One of the important ones is the bubble wrapping and shrink wrapping of critical components. And as you can see, all of the smaller components are also bubble wrapped, packed onto these pallets, and will be shrink wrapped in the waterproof sheets. Here's one of the machines that have been wrapped with the Intercept film, and we actually put this yellow strapping around to make sure there's not been any interference during the shipping process. So we end up in the container with all of the machines packed inside. And the reason why I created this video was to highlight the importance of packing, so we can design the most amazing machines programmed to work perfectly. If we don't disassemble and pack them properly so that when it gets to site we can install them, it's a complete waste of time. So this disassembly and packing process is absolutely critical to getting the machines right. Here's another Machine Monday.